Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover a new airdrop that I think not many airdrop hunters are going to apply, and I'm going to explain you why in this video. This is a very interesting protocol that will power liquidity across order book exchanges, so users can deploy liquidity to pairs and exchange to build trustless futures to engage their liquidity. And this is a very common issue on liquidity pools and liquidity providers. So this project is bringing a solution to this, getting the liquidity from all places to centralize that liquidity in one protocol that will manage all that. Like always in my videos, I'm going to explain you and give you the important points of this protocol, and then we go step by step on everything that you need to do in order to participate on this airdrop, and I'm going to tell you why I think not many people is going to do it. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, this is a coverage of the Elixir Airdrop. Elixir is a modular DPoS network built to power liquidity on order books exchanges. Elixir is a cross-chain and composable, enabling order book DXs to natively integrate Elixir into their core infrastructure to unlock retail liquidity for pairs, among other exciting use cases. The network serves as crucial underlying infrastructure, allowing for exchanges and protocols to easily bootstrap liquidity to their book. Elixir has already 30 plus native integrations into the core infrastructure of leading DX. Some important points about this protocol is that the ELX token is confirmed and governance, and is going to play a role in the governance protocol. So we have the confirmation of the token. The mainnet, guys, is expected to be launched in August of this year. So we have 3.5 months to participate on this airdrop, because after the token launch, of course, we are going to receive the airdrop. So probably before the launch of the project, we already have been knowing all the details about this airdrop distribution. They have a point system, so this always means an airdrop, and the project funding is $8 million, so it's not super big. They have a valuation of $100 million, so 100x is the funding. I don't know why the difference between the funding that they have on the last series and the 800 million valuation, but this project on that funding are Mission Labs, Arthur Hayes, and many other important ones. I think we can trust on those VPs to move forward this project. One important thing is that this is in Ethereum mainnet, so you are going to be able to do this airdrop on Ethereum mainnet, but also on Sui. I think the usual preference is going to go to do the airdrop in Sui because they have lower fees, and because we only have these two to apply to the airdrop right now, I think this is one of the reasons why not many people is going to do it. Normal airdrop hunters are not going to spend fees on Ethereum mainnet. We saw that on Ethena at the beginning of the airdrop 1 of Ethena, and in terms of Sui, many people don't have even a wallet for Sui. They never apply to airdrops on Sui, and maybe they don't want to enter into the Sui ecosystem. So that is another reason why I think many people is not going to participate. There are other reasons why I think that, and I'm going to tell you during the video. So for the project, you can go to Elixir. This is the website, and you can see more information here. One of the 3 important ones that are already integrated are Vertex, Hyperliquid, and DADX, and you can explore more here the ecosystem of Elixir. One important thing, if you want to run a validator, you will have all the information here on how to run it, but I have to say it's always complicated if you are not a developer. So on one of the points here, I'm going to tell you, if you are in my private Discord, how easily you can pay a couple of bucks and get your node on Elixir running. And I think that could actually be one of the rewarded people that get the big amount of airdrop when they launch it, the airdrop at the end. So going step by step, the first thing that you need to do is register here into Elixir. Once you are going to be there, you are here in the apothecary. So you need to connect your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, you're going to see 2 things. You can connect with Ethereum or you can connect with Sui. And here is where we go to the step 2. For cheaper transactions, you can use Sui, and then you will be able to associate your Twitter and your Discord account. But you can only associate it to one of those wallets. So when you are here, if you connect your Ethereum wallet and then you associate Twitter and Discord, those 2 social networks are going to be connected and associated to this main ABM wallet. So that is why you first need to decide if you are going to use Ethereum mainnet or Sui. So before associate them, just take that decision. Of course, in any case, if you get into the mistake to connect your Ethereum wallet and then you associate Discord and Twitter, you can unlink here and start over the process. In my case, for the purpose of the video, I am connecting with Ethereum. So after you do that, what you need to do is click here on supply to Elixir, and this is step 3. So this has a cost of $100 in Ethereum, but they have a message that deposits earn a 50 potion boost, which are the points that you're going to get, and you will not be able to withdraw until the launch of Elixir mainnet in August. So those $100 minimum that you put here, you cannot get it before they land. If you are using Sui wallet, you can deposit USDC in another of their pools. So let me show you the two things. If you are with Ethereum mainnet, you click there and you can mint the ELX Ethereum here. So if you put 0.034498 at the moment of recording, you are going to mint here, and remember you get a 50% boost on your potion here. But if you are connected with Sui, you are not going to be able to do that. You need to click down here on supply USDC to native integration. So here you are going to be able to connect, and if you connect your Sui wallet, you are going to be able to, first you will need to have USDC on your Sui wallet. So first you need to get Sui tokens into your Sui wallet, then swap some amount above $100 on USDC, and then for example you come here and you supply the tokens if you were connected with your wallet. Let's say that I am connected, I don't have USDC here, but you will be able to supply the USDC into this pool of Sui and USDC. And doing this, you also get an APY of 38%, so it's not bad. And you are already also participating on Elixir, complying the request of this $100 that you need to supply there. After you do that, you go to my positions and you're going to see it here. Remember, this is mostly the way if you're doing it with Sui. It's recommended because you have lower fees, but I couldn't get an answer if the 50% that appears in the pop-up for doing it with Ethereum also applies here or doesn't apply. So just for the purpose of the video, I'm going to do it here. I'm going to click on mint ELX Ethereum. Oh my god, this is even the weekend, and you can see I have a fee of $40, $43 on Ethereum, so forget it. I'm not going to do it likewise. Not going to pay $43 just for show you how to do it. Basically just mint here and you will be ready and earning your points. Remember that your position score here is going to start be visible 48 hours after deposit. If you don't do this step, you are not going to get any potion score. Remember, doing this you get a 50% boost, and my understanding is that if you do it only here with Ethereum, minting this, so this is the benefit of doing it with Ethereum instead of Sui. But of course you are going to get less fees using Sui. So after you do that, you are already completed with these first 3 steps. The first step is that you can use your referral. You will see it down here, your invite link. Here you have a leaderboard, and of course referrals is going to give you more potion scores. And now we move to the next point, which is the point 5, and nobody's talking about this, but there will be bi-weekly rituals. These are unique challenges and events that will reward potions to participants. All social interactions and contributions are actively recorded, so you will earn prizes and points. For example, the first one is here. You can check it on their Discord. When you are already confirmed here, you can go to rituals. This is the first ritual that has been already launched, and you still have time to participate on this one. Basically, you need to create a guide for people to understand what Elixir rituals are and post it in your Twitter. After you do that, you just go here and post the Twitter link to that tutorial. It's going to be easy for you to just generate one tweet and put it here. You are going to earn potion points, and you will have one ritual each 2 weeks. So many things happen on the Discords and in the Twitters. That is why you always need to cover it on this video. Now the point 6, like I mentioned, follow them on Twitter. You will find also exclusive information there. For example, about the founding of the Series B. You will note about the Elixir rituals, and you can see all the different partnerships that the project has been doing. And here you have some alpha of the founder Philippe, so you can check everything about that here. And the last point, the point 7, is that running a validator node could be part of a big airdrop on this. It's not openly covered, but when you go to the website or networks, you can see all the validators on this map. It's very interesting, and I think validators here could get some part of this airdrop. So if you want to know how to run this node very easily in one click, you can join to my subscriptions on my private Discord, and we can talk about there I have been using a third-party company that you pay a couple of bucks and they run the nodes for you. You can have access to a dashboard and it's very easy instead of complicating yourself trying to understand how to do it and how to program all those node connections. You just can pay a couple of bucks and you will be able to run your Elixir node. So if you're interested in 0.7, join my subscriptions. I am only revealing that information to my followers in my private Discord. In my subscriptions guide, you have my private Discord. We are killing it there, managing high level of information. We don't care about these dumps on the market. We are constantly doing money on airdrops and focusing on that and building our portfolio for this bull. And if you really want to make money on airdrops, you will need to do it with multiple wallets. That is why I created an application. This app is going to help you to apply to airdrops easily and also to apply with multiple wallets. So here you can check a video on how my app works. And this is the last update on March on my app, where you can get an alarm on each of your airdrops and tasks that you need to do weekly, so you can receive your alerts directly into your email and know exactly what to do that week. So check my subscriptions, my cryptocurrency private Discord for airdrops and crypto in general, and my app. So that is all for this Elixir airdrop. Remember, I think not many are going to do this because it's an Ethereum mainnet or SUI, which are two things that are not common for airdrop hunters to use right now. Also, you need to pay $100 in front already to participate. That is a very big filter, and you need to join with your Discord and Twitter. So very difficult to farm this airdrop and expensive if you need to pay $100 in front of everything before start to farming this. So remember, if you want to run a validator node, you can ask me in my private Discord. We can create a thread for this Elixir airdrop and I can share that info with you guys. That will be all for Elixir airdrop. Before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. If you want to join Elixir, check the pinned comment so you can enter directly into there. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.